Alright, what's up everyone? We are heading to the Olympic National Park, hitting up some falls, Hurricane Ridge. Gonna take some pictures of us when we get there for sunset. And we are getting off the ferry in Kingston, and here we go.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny, Nick's wife. I just thought I'd introduce myself since I'd be taking along on this adventure today. And it's beautiful out here. Look at this.
Where you at? Where you at?
You're gonna have to come back in about 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yep.
Okay.
If you get through as fast as you can, sir.
Alright, so we can't go to like 3 of the spots I wanted to take photos at today. Well, we can, but it's 3:30 now, and they're not going to open up that construction till 5:30. I want to be up to Hurricane Ridge by like 6 or 6:30. So yeah, that sucks, but if you're new around here, that's just kind of my luck. Just check the last vlog and see how that trip went. Here to Hurricane Ridge, and we're actually already exploring since that construction was going on. We have like 2 extra hours here, so check this out. Epic views everywhere you look. So time to explore. Alright, well, we just kind of finished exploring, and now we are gonna change because we're gonna take a little, like, couple shoot with this epic landscape in the background. So, you wanna change first?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, now it's my turn. Alright, let's do this. So, this is where we're going to take some pictures. Wait for the sunset, but we got some good back glow here, so I'm going to take some shots right here.
Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Found myself in between the lines underneath your bed.
Alright, so we are leaving Hurricane Ridge. We got some good photos for sure. Not as much as I wanted to get of us because somebody, me, forgot the most important part of the tripod. So yeah, I was kind of just balancing the camera instead of screwing it in on top of the tripod. I was balancing it on top, and didn't really work out too well. But we got a couple that we like, and I got some pretty good landscape photos. So yeah, now we need to get to Kingston before the last ferry leaves. We'll see how that goes. It's going to be tight. We probably won't be able to stop at all. So wish us luck. Alright, peace.
Bye.
From pillar to post, hitting you up, but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there?